Your healthy oatmeal might be spiking your blood sugar just like a glazed donut, and you probably have no idea. These 5 mistakes are secretly destroying your health goals every morning. Today, we're exposing the top 5 most shocking oatmeal mistakes you're making without realizing it. But first, let's settle the debate. Do you like your oatmeal sweet or savory? Comment Team Sweet or Team Savory down below. Let's see who's winning. All right, mistake number 1. Drowning it in sugar. Oatmeal is naturally bland, so most of us try to make it taste better by adding honey, syrup, brown sugar, even sweetened dried fruits. But here's the deal. You're turning your oatmeal into a dessert. 1 tablespoon of honey? That's 17 grams of sugar. Add a banana or flavored yogurt, and you've got a blood sugar roller coaster before 9 a.m. Solution? Sweeten it naturally with cinnamon, a few fresh berries, or vanilla extract. Want more flavor? Try unsweetened almond butter. It adds taste, texture, and healthy fats. Mistake number 2. Using instant oatmeal packets. Those convenient oatmeal packets? Not as innocent as they seem. They're often loaded with artificial flavors, added sugars, and preservatives. Plus, they're more processed, which means they digest faster and spike your blood sugar quicker than rolled or steel-cut oats. Just check the label. Some have up to 12 grams of sugar per serving. Instead, prep plain rolled oats in bulk. It takes just 5 minutes and you can customize the flavor naturally. Add cinnamon, nuts, chia seeds, whatever you like. You're in control of your health, not a factory. Mistake number 3. Oversized portions. Oatmeal is healthy, but too much of a good thing is still too much. Most people use 1 cup or more of dry oats, which doubles or triples after cooking. That can mean 300+ calories from oats alone, before toppings. And remember, oats are carbs. If you're trying to lose weight or balance blood sugar, eating too many carbs at once can cause energy crashes and fat storage. Stick to 1/2 cup dry oats for most people. If you're super active or bulking, go higher. But for general health, smaller is smarter. Control the portion, control the progress. Mistake number 4. No protein or healthy fats. Oats are a carb source. Eat them alone, and you'll be hungry again in an hour. Why? No protein, no fats, no staying power. Protein helps you stay full and repair muscle. Healthy fats keep your hormones balanced and provide slow energy. Add a scoop of protein powder, some Greek yogurt, or a spoon of almond butter. Even a handful of nuts or chia seeds makes a huge difference. Balanced oatmeal equals better energy, fewer cravings, and fat loss support. Mistake number 5. Eating too fast or while distracted. You've prepped the perfect oatmeal bowl, but you're eating it while scrolling Instagram, checking emails, or rushing out the door. This kills digestion. Your brain doesn't register fullness, your stomach doesn't digest properly, and you're hungry again soon after. Slow down. Take 5 minutes. Sit, breathe, and enjoy each bite. Mindful eating improves nutrient absorption and actually helps you lose weight. It's not just what you eat, it's how you eat it. Fixing just one of these oatmeal mistakes could change your entire morning. Fix all 5? You're fueling your body like a machine. Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've been guilty of any of these. More smart food fixes are coming soon.